Very good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell differences. Prokaryotic cells, these are generally very smaller than the eukaryotic cells, and here there is no well defined nucleus, means the genetic material is naked without a proper nuclear envelope. This is the main reason why some of the cells are kept under this division. Next, well-defined nucleus is present in eukaryotic cell, means there is a genetic material which modifies into chromosomes, and then this genetic material is located in nucleus. This genetic material is completely covered with nuclear membrane. This is the main reason why we are able to identify a specifically nucleus inside the eukaryotic cell. Next one, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Membrane bound cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cells. Those are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome, mitochondria, and in plants, plastids also comes under membrane bound cell organelles. Then microbodies and vacuoles. Microbodies are the special structures which are very small in size and which supports the cytoplasmic actions and which supports the framework of cytoplasm or cell. Next, here non-membranous bound cell organelles called ribosomes are present, which are 70S type. The subunits are 50S and 30S. In eukaryotic cell, 80S ribosomes are present. These 80S ribosomes, the subunits are 60S and 40S. Next one, here cell wall is present. Mesosome, a special membrane which is a modification of plasma membrane in the bacteria, is called mesosome. It participates in electron transportation during the respiration. Okay, it is almost similar. It is similar to cristae in mitochondria. Cell wall, cell membrane are present. Cell wall is a special character in plant cells. The examples for prokaryotic cells are bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasma, and PPLO, means pleuropneumonia-like organisms. Examples are all plant cells and animal cell. Next, including protists and fungi. These all also comes under eukaryotic cells. These are the main differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. So children, you please, when you watch this video or listen this video, you please give your like, and you can give me a comment also, and then you please subscribe this channel so that you may benefit in future. If you prepare for competitive exams also, it is useful. Thank you.